Introducing ElGouna Plus, your one-stop shop for all your needs related to life in ElGouna. Offering 3 distinct services to enhance your lifestyle. Our design and renovation service simplifies home transformations. Choose from our preset packages or custom requests that are tailored to your preferences. Our property management service is designed to make renting and resale a quick, hassle-free and easy process. Our home services branch offers a wide variety of daily services that enhance your living experience in ElGouna. We pride ourselves on our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. ElGouna Plus. Life made simple.